If you're finding that certain search results are missing or some websites are blocked on your iPhone, there are a couple of settings you can check to remove those restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off SafeSearch and remove website restrictions on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone. For the first method, we're going to change the SafeSearch setting through Google. In Safari, go to google.com. Once the Google page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Settings. Then tap Search Settings. Now look for the SafeSearch option and tap on it. If it's currently set to filter or blur, SafeSearch will limit explicit content from appearing in your search results. If you want Google to show all relevant search results, select Off. Once that's done, go back and try searching again to see if this fixes the problem. If you're still unable to access certain websites, there may be a restriction enabled on your iPhone itself. To check that, close Safari and open the Settings app. From here, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Once you're in Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now tap Web Content. Here, you'll see different options for restricting websites. If it's set to limit adult websites or only approved websites, some websites may be blocked. To remove these restrictions, select Unrestricted. You may now be asked to enter your Screen Time passcode. Enter your passcode, and the web content restriction will be changed to Unrestricted. Now go back to Safari and try accessing the website again. If you don't remember your Screen Time passcode, you may be able to reset it by going to Screen Time Settings and tapping Change Screen Time Passcode. Keep in mind that if the screen time restrictions were set by a parent or another person, you'll need their permission or passcode to change these settings. And that's it. By turning off SafeSearch and removing the website restrictions, you should be able to see more search results and access websites that were previously being blocked. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.